Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a zoom test of the Infinix Smart 10 Plus. And remember, this phone comes with an 8 megapixel front and rear camera. So I'm going to be doing a zoom test to see how this phone performs while you're zoomed in to the fullest. So this phone zooms up to 4x, and at 4x you take decent detailed photos with this phone, and you don't lose quality that much while you're zoomed in all the way. As you see, that's the building I'm trying to zoom in at, and when I really zoom in at 4x, the Infinix Smart 10 Plus takes really nice detailed photos, because you don't lose much of the detail in the photos, though the texts or the posters in the background lose a little bit of detail. But most of the photos taken using the Infinix Smart 10 Plus while zoomed in are usable. For example, you see it retains much of the details even while zoomed in, and this phone really nice decent photos, plus it has good resolutions and a huge brightness, which is 700 nits, and that you get a good experience because you'll be able to view the photos that you take in a very nice way, without losing some of the details because of really small or little resolutions. And with that guys, that's the review for the Infinix Smart 10 Plus zoom test. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.